AT Nation, it's your guys. I'm back with another video, and today the video, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing everything that I use for my dogs and that I have for my dog. It's like a dog video, so I'm going to be telling this video everything that I use for my dog. And so let's just get straight into the video. Come on, sisters. So I have some cake, so I'm going to be eating cake in the middle of this video. So number one, chunky ground dinner with beef, bacon, and cheese flavor. Actually, I'm gonna tell you guys this. I have a puppy. Her name is Rosie. It's a girl, yes. And she's like really rough and stuff. So yeah, we got this chunky ground dinner. Comes in a can. I think we'll do food first. I have a lot of food. Munchie sticks, pork, beef, chicken flavor. There's pork, beef, and chicken in here. I'll show you the three flavors here, of course. The three colored flavors. Hi, Mama Nick. I gave her one because she wants one. Okay, obviously, this is chicken, this is pork, and this is beef. So, yeah, these are the three flavors. Okay, so, I also have these chicken flavor little chicken sticks. There's really one more in here because I just gave her the second last one. And I have some regular, here's some dog food. And I have some training pads. So, yeah, because she's not potty trained yet. I have some gourmet dog food. Caesar dry food. They usually have like the canned wet food, yeah. It's real beef. It's like these are like the meals, you know, like tonight we're gonna have this and that in their dog world. So yeah. And I also have these sausage in a blanket, guys, for the dog. I'll see if my dog likes these. Let me test it out. I just got these today. So let me see if my dog likes them. I have like so much food. My dog is not gonna run out until like a long time. And guys, comment down below what's your dog name if you guys have a dog. If you guys don't, it's okay. Guys, I can't get it out. So I'll do that in another video. I'll try to open that later. And I also have these bin full with real beef little dog food things. So yeah, that's all for the food. I have like another dress, but I don't know where it's at. All this stuff is somewhere in my room. I have like this little dress for her. It's like a little turtleneck for her. And it has like that. It has like arms go. She's super cute and little. Come here, mamas. Come here. Ooh, she's so pretty, mama. They're pretty, mamas. So yes, this is her. Hi, mama. Say hi. Say hi. So yes, that's my little angel. And then I also use this Pet Shape shampoo, gentle smoothing, smoothest irritated skin, no harsh chemicals, fragrance free. So yes, it doesn't have a smell to it, but it does, like, you know, it smells like glue. It smells like glue. Okay. What do you want, mamas? And I got her this like little cute little bow. There's more, but I used them all for her hair earlier, and they're probably somewhere around the house because she takes them off. So yes, guys, that's all that I used for my dog. That was a quick little last minute video, because this week I'm not gonna be posting that much because it's like school days, and this was all this weekend. I'm gonna try to post this week every day, guys. I'm gonna try super hard. So guys, yes, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. So yes.